everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I am annoyed. I don't know if you can tell, but my eyelash is literally falling the fuck off. I really like these lashes. These are the Kiss Pompadour lashes. They're really nice, but they don't stay on the inner corner, and it's really starting to piss me off. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this look right here. This look was inspired by Camila Cabello and Pharrell's new song called Sangria Wine. I have been anticipating this song for the longest time. If you went and checked out Piper's channel, like I told you to, like 2 videos ago, you would have known that we went to the Camila concert, and she had originally only sang this song live, and then she released it, what, yesterday? Yeah. Yesterday, and I've been like so obsessed with this song. I think it's like so fun to dance to, but whenever I think of like sangria, I always think of this. This is what I think of when I think of sangria. I think of something that's like really sultry and almost sexy, but like red and like with pink and purples and whatever. That's what I think of. So I was really inspired by this song. Well, I thought it would be no better time to kind of put this look out than right now because this song came out and it just makes sense. I also want to mention I'm eating in this video. We got some damn Mary Browns up in this bitch. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I did this look, please make sure to keep watching. Alright, so we're going to be starting off, and I'm priming my eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair number 2, I believe. It's the lightest shade. I like using this as a eyeshadow base. I like the white one more. I think I've said that before, but I'm just using this one today. Starting in the eyes, I'm taking Dusty Rose from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm blending this into my crease as my transition color. I really like this whenever I'm creating sultry looks because it always looks so nice. Then I'm taking Sienna, and I'm blending this into the crease as well. It comes off more pink to me than it does orange, so I thought it was perfect for this look. I'm going into the Morphe 9C palette, which is their Jewel Crew palette, and I'm taking the shade Rich Girl, and I'm blending this into my outer crease. Then I'm taking a mix of Hidden Gem and Rich Girl, and I'm blending this into the other crease again. Hidden Gem is just a tad bit darker, and it will give us a little bit more dimension. And I'm blending this with a little bit more of a smaller blending brush, something that's more pencil-like instead of extremely fluffy. Then I'm going back in with Dusty Rose, and I'm taking that to blend in the inner corner, just so it's not as heavy there. Then I'm taking Mulberry and Noir from the Soft Glam, and I'm packing this on the outer corner. Again, for some more dimension. I want this look to be extremely blended and almost like a shadow on the eyes, but like a really intense shadow. Then I'm taking a mix between Rose Pink and Sultry, and I'm putting this on the lid. This is what I wanted the pop of shimmer to be, because normally I would do something like silvery, but because I wanted this to be a sultry look, I went in with those two colors, but it wasn't really red enough for me, and it needed a little bit something else, so I went in with a Makeup Geek single shadow. I'll have it listed down in the description because, to be quite honest, I can't really remember the shade name. Then I went into my face. I took a pore filling primer and an illuminating primer. I wanted something that would make my skin look good but also be luminous. Then obviously, you know, I used the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I just buffed this in with my beauty blender. Then going back in with that ColourPop concealer, I'm putting this under my eyes, my forehead, on top of my lip, and my chin. I just kind of want to highlight in like a lowercase T area, or T-zone, not an uppercase. Then I just powdered my face with my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. It's literally the only one I use. Then for eyebrows, I went in with the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. This one is good. I was actually having a conversation a few days ago about it, about how I didn't like it, but to be honest, I don't mind it. The wand is just pretty big. And then this is when my dad brought food for me, and I was really excited because I was starving. And I just continued to brush out to my eyebrows and get those perfect while having a snack because I was starving. Then for bronzer, I went in with the Bahama Mama bronzer. I just have a small sample version of this, so I wanted to pan it. So you'll be seeing this in the next few tutorials. For blush, I went in with the Weirdo blush from ColourPop. I know I used this in my last tutorial, but it works best for me. So why not continue using it if it works? Then I went ahead and sprayed my face with some setting spray so I could apply my highlight and have it look blinding. I didn't apply that illuminating primer for no reason. I wanted to add more of a glow to the skin because I thought that this look would look really good with a luminous base. Then I went back in with Dusty Rose and I put this on my lower lash line. I'm just finishing up the lower lash line for right now. Then I'm taking Mulberry and I'm putting this more on the outer corner, but still like halfway. And then finishing up with Noir. I always like to do a gradient on my lower... I always like to do a gradient whenever I'm doing an eye look. Then I took the Kiss Pompadour lashes and I applied those. And applied some mascara to my upper and lower lashes with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And because I forgot about my inner corners, I decided to apply my highlight there. And it actually looked really nice, to be honest. And then for lips, I went in with the ColourPop Lippy Stick in Gold Digger. This is so amazing. It comes off red on camera, but it's more of like a pinky red, or like a deep, deep maroonish red. I don't know. Anyways, and this is the completed look. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, please make sure to subscribe down below. And if you haven't already, please make sure to click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. It really means a lot to me. I know there's a few of y'all out there, and I love you. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.